what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Ipsy unboxing, unbagging, whatever. Ignore the planet that I have on my face. It won't go away and it's driving me nuts, so I keep picking it and it's not gonna heal if I keep picking it. But just ignore that. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my Ipsy this month, you're in the right place and just keep on watching. Alright, so I actually got a free gift in my Ipsy this month, and that is the Sol de Janeiro. I'm pretty sure I just butchered that, but it's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This is what it looks like right here. I've heard about this, but I've never used it. Let me see. Ooh. It kind of smells good. It's like hard to see in there. Anyways, it is a fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. So it's got the ingredients on here. That's cool. Water, blah blah blah. Yeah, fragrance. Yep. I have not used it yet, but I might one of these days. I don't know, I'm pretty lazy. But when I do, I will definitely update you guys on that. Alright. The first two things that I pulled out are these face masks. Here's this one. It is the I'm not sure how to say that. Here's the brand right there. I got the Vitamin F Velvet Mask. It's hypoallergenic, moisturizing, and it contains vitamin F that deeply moisturizes and conditions your skin. Enriched with natural ingredients like lavender, jasmine, and orchid, full of vitamin F. Blah blah blah. Boost moisture into dry skin to achieve balanced and hydrated skin while 100%. So okay, whatever. So I got this one. And the other one is the Velvet Vitamin C. This is hypoallergenic, helps to brighten and encourage clear complexion. It says it brightens and dulls uneven complexions, restores nutrients, and achieve flawless, luminous, healthy looking skin. I look forward to trying this one out. So here is my Ipsy bag. It's got little cute little eyelashes. It's got Ipsy right here. Alright, the first thing I pulled out is this Luxie Beauty Harley Quinn flat definer brush. This is the 1110. Like this. Here's the bristles. It is vegan and cruelty free. It says you can use it as a concealer brush. That's probably what I will use it as, like a spot conceal kind of thing. This planet right here. Yeah, this is pretty cute and very soft. Alright, next is this Nomad highlighting blush. It is in the shade Pastano Sunrise. I think that's how you say it. I probably butchered that too. Whoops. Comes in this packaging. And it's very small. On the back, just says light infusion powder. Yeah. Whoops. Ooh, it's pretty. I have not swatched this yet. Yet. This is what it looks like. It's kind of hard to see. So is this a blush? Guess so. That or it's a highlighter. Wait, highlighting blush. So it's probably like, there we go. Gotta build it, but it's all right. All right, and next is the. Sorry, I'm filming this right after I put my son on the school bus, so it's too early for me. Anyways, this is the Winky Luxe Mermaid Kitten palette. It is the Ursula eyeshadow. It's, I'm assuming, a purple because Ursula is purple on the mermaid, Little Mermaid. But yeah, it's by Winky Luxe. It looks like this in the box. I think I got something from them before on my Ipsy, but it's a highlighter. I haven't used it, so it's still up there in my stuff. This is what this looks like. Oh, yep, it's purple. Very pretty. Ooh, very soft. Okay, here is the swatch. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, I mean, that's a pretty color. I don't really wear purple much, but when I do, it does, you know, put a pop of color in my eyes because my eyes are brown. So, yeah, I look forward to trying this out. Alright, so we are at the bottom of the bag, and the very last thing in there is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Primer and moisturizer. It is very small. This is what it looks like. Small as my hand. It's actually smaller than my hand. Has pump. I've been wanting to try this, so I might actually buy the full size if I like it. So I'm just gonna. Oh. Okay, it is white in color. Okay, let's see what it does. Ooh, that feels really nice. It is lightweight, hydrates, and it minimizes fine lines and pores. Ooh. Wait, is that or is it the... Okay, whatever it is, I don't really like the scent of it. I don't know if it's this or if it's the shadow that I had on here that I wiped off. But I mean, like, that looks really hydrated now, like, and my little pores that I have on my hand, they're minimized. I don't know if you could tell. Up till not too long ago, I didn't even know your whole body had pores. I thought it was just your face. Don't judge me for that. Anyways, I will be trying this out, and I will let you guys know about it and let them know if I want to buy it or not. Alright, so that is everything I got in my Ipsy this month, and in case you are watching this a little late, it is September. So yeah, this is the September Ipsy bag right here, and these are the items that I personally received. Everyone does not get the same exact thing. When you subscribe, it gives you a little questionnaire, what you like, what you want to receive, those kinds of things, and it goes based off of those and what you put there. I personally like brands like Smashbox and apparently Winky Luxe because that's the second time I've gotten something from them. I like skincare, which is why I gotten these, and I like brush tools or makeup tools, which is why I always get a brush. So yeah, it just depends on how you put your answers in the questionnaire, what you like, what you don't like, the brands you like, everything like that. For those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription. You can upgrade and get it to a yearly, and you get like full size or something. I don't know. I don't do that. I just do it by month. You can cancel anytime you want, and yeah. So yeah, if you guys are interested in Ipsy, I will leave the link down below to sign up. And yeah, you guys have a great day. I love you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and until next time, I love you guys.